We just finished staging this lovely house, and I thought I would chat with everyone about how I pulled it together with the art. As you can see behind me, I chose this lovely large print that has lots of yellows in it. It also has tans, and as I get a little bit closer, you can also see that it has greens in it. And as you can also see, this really awesome piece that our friend Kate painted for us. Absolutely love it. Used to be brown and sad in 70s, and now it's hip and cool and awesomeness. So anyway, the tans and the yellows, I love the lightness of that, but I also wanted a little pop of something else, something springy. So why not pink? So I chose these pillows right here that have pinks in it. And then, of course, the lovely polka dotted candle holder over there. And this pink lamp and the cool Wayfair mirror that we just purchased recently. And then I also chose this rug because I liked that it had the tans in it. I knew it would look good with this darker floor. And then the rug also has a little bit of blue, as you can see, which blends in with my dining room over here. So I have the blue rug in the dining room. And kind of the inspiration for this was also this lovely piece of artwork. Absolutely love all the different blues and purples and even these tanny brown colors I knew would look really good with my combo of beautiful glassware here. So anyway, then this is the kitchen. Couple dots of pink over there. Always a piggy because we love it. Here, this artwork. I figure that was another nod to the yellow in the living room. And then when you come over here to the family room, we like to have little things for doggies too. Anyway, you come over here and I chose this artwork because I saw that it had yellow in it. And I like the combo of yellows and this rusty color, which is not typically a color that I love, but I thought that combo was really cool. And it made me think of these chairs. And I thought, ooh, I'll put these yellow pillows with these orangey rust-colored chairs, and it'll be really neat. And everything else is sort of tan and deep. Again, the rug is tan, it's got a little touch of blue. And there you have it. So I chose the entire palette because of the artwork, and I think it turned out pretty well.